one of the best improvements to the washing station, because a lot of the equipment in the washing station is pretty inexpensive, tanks and fittings, but is water, right? If you're waiting around for tanks to fill up, it's time wasted waiting for tanks to fill up. So like pressure is good, but pressure is like the easy thing, right? Because you're going to build up pressure in a system, but if you don't have enough water to maintain that pressure, right? If your pump can't refill your system fast enough, you're not going to have enough water. And right, so for us, we get a lot of water in the morning, right? So our tanks fill up pretty fast. The problem is, as soon as we start using other stuff, sprayers, or we're filling up 2 tanks or something, then suddenly we can't fill them up as fast because there's just a limit to the amount of water. And it's limited by, how much water is coming out of the well through the pump, and also our line, right? So it's a 3/4 inch line, so that has a peak on how much water can come through it, and it's something to consider. So we're putting in a new well, getting more water, and that's only going to work after we change out the lines and put in 2-inch lines all the way into the wash station, and then put nice beefy lines straight to the tank, and then we can get water into the tank. But something to remember, it's something to think about when you're doing your water in your washing station, is not only pressure, but how much water, because you use a lot of water.